Well guys, I'm out of my laundry detergent, and I tried to get what I mixed into it last year and I couldn't get it. So I'm going to just do a little different combination, most of the same things, just maybe different scents. I couldn't get the orange, that amazing cleaner. Couldn't find any of that anywhere. So I ended up with some of the white Zote soap. I'm going to do I'm going to try to mix it up for 2 mixes. So I'm going to split this between the 2. I'm going to do, the first thing I'm going to do is just grate up all my soap. And I'll just use a cheese grater or grater for that, and you're just going to grate it like you would cheese. It's just easier than cheese because it's hard. So I'll bring you back when I get to the next step. Next, I'm just going to do the Zote soap. And it's going to grate just the same. This is a little softer grating. The other one's, and it's stickier than the Fels Naptha soap. So I'm going to do that one, and I'll bring you back when I get those done. And I'll do the pink the same way. And just to tell you, this is the hardest part of doing this whole process, is just getting the cheese shaved off. It just takes a little while to do that. But other than that, this is pretty simple to do. Alright, we've got all of our soap grated. Now we're going to start adding the powder stuff. Alright, to each container, I'm going to add 1.5 boxes of borax. If I can get the container open. And try not to breathe in. Alright. So we're going to add in 3 1-pound of Arm & Hammer baking soda. If I didn't want to get in these boxes, they would just tear right open. Alright, I'm going to mix this a little bit, so I'm just taking a big spoon. Mix it a little as we go. Okay. Next, we're going to add the Arm & Hammer Laundry Booster Super Washing Soda. And this is a 3-pound box. I had a larger box the last mix I did, but this was all I could find this time. I wish I'd have ordered 2 more of those to add to it. Then we're going to add in half of the container of Oxi Clean, and this is a 3-pound container. Then we're doing the Arm & Hammer Clean Scentsations. This is the Clean Meadow scent. These are bright yellow. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. I'm just going to sprinkle those in. And then we're going to add a thing of the Purex Crystals Fresh Spring Waters, and this is a 2.43 pound container. Like I said, they didn't have the sizes I used last time, so I couldn't find anything. And these are blue. And that's the basic solution of what we're going to put in for a mix. So I'm just going to mix all this up together. Smells really good. And let me keep stirring, and when I get it mixed, I'll bring you right back. This is what it looks like. Like I said, it smells really good. I'm going to get the other batch mixed up, and then I'll put it all in this one container, and I'll bring you back. Alright, this is my container with both mixes full. And what I had before, I used 2 to 3 tablespoons per load. If it was a dirty load like my husband's from where he was working, I would use 3. If it was just a basic, I used 2. And like I said, that last mixture lasted me for about 6 months for just me and him. Which, I'm a nurse and have several loads of clothes I have to do, and then he works 2 full-time, so we have plenty to wash up and our laundry. So it's worked out pretty good so far, so we'll try this mixture and I'll let you guys know how it works. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.